Alright, this is for those that are interested in making their own music, brand music, and they want to boycott all these copyright issues. You just use a song, you use the music for your advert and all that, and then you have copyright issues. So you want to avoid that copyright issues, and you want to have your home brand music. So all you need to do is just go to heyhimusic.so. Go to your Chrome browser, open heyhimusic.so, and then you have access to it. So that's what we do now. All right, so this is what you will see the moment you open it, and then you will need to adjust this to customize music. So when you adjust it to customize music, you go to your ChatGPT and then you generate a prompt. And yes, so you come to ChatGPT and then you create a prompt. You want ChatGPT to create a prompt for you now. It says, I am Afolayan Kayode and I analyze data, a content creator, a lover of God, and I have just authored a new book. Okay, a new book titled Step-by-Step Guide to Writing an Excellent Project. So I've given it what I want it to do. So create an Afro beat / rap music for me in Pidgin. Okay, so in Pidgin English, to advertise my book, to advertise my new book. Okay, so you send it. Let's see what it comes out with now. So this is it. Hey, Kayode, don't drop. So what you do is you copy the lyrics. So you copy these lyrics here. Okay, so make sure you click on this customize button, customize it, then you paste the lyrics that you have copied from ChatGPT here, paste it here, and then go through it again to be sure you did the right thing. Alright, then you can go on to the next thing. You can go on, write the style of music, Afro beats, /rap. So you go home, scroll up, put the title of the song, new book, release. Adverts. Alright, so once you're done with that, you can now generate. So now our song is ready. Now let's see what it has for us. Now.
Fresh book we go ginger your brain. Step by step we go run am correct. No more stress, project go perfect. Grab the book, no dey turn, no regret. Kayode Afolayan na the plug where you get. No more wahala, no more delay. This book go show you the surest way how to write project we go make. Yeah, guys, step we go run am correct. No more stress, project go perfect. Grab the book, no dey turn, no regret. Kayode Afolayan na the plug where you get. No more wahala, no more delay. show you the shortest way. How to write projects wey go make sense. Clear your head, remove forbidden.
That's it. Now if you want to download it, it will demand that you should subscribe. If you want to download it now, you see it's a demand that you should subscribe. So you know what to do, right? In order for you to get your song out of it. If you don't know what to do, then you can comment in the comment section, ask me, and I will tell you what to do. Alright, so that's that about that. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also share for others to learn from it. Thank you.